Hey Kate, how you doing? My name is Eddie. I talked to you on Thursday. Spoke to you about some free marketing information. What we want to do is take a look at your website and see how it stacks up against your competitor who's getting about 100 clicks a month to their website. Now, I will try and keep this to 5 minutes to respect your time. Let's see how I do. Alright, so here we go on your website. First thing I like to do is see how many words of content we have on the home page. So it looks like you have about 600 words on your home page. When trying to rank a home page of a website, Google really needs 1,500 to 2,000 words of content to crawl through in order to find you for a wide variety of keywords. Let's see how many keywords you're getting found for on your website. So as you can see, you're getting about 66 clicks to your website every month, which is coming from 40 organic keywords that people are searching for. So here in red, I have highlighted the keywords which include your name. These keywords indicate return traffic, people who know of you from somewhere else and are looking to find an address for directions or a phone number to cancel or call and reschedule. These are not going to be new clients. In green, you can see I have highlighted keywords, which indicate new local buyers and the amount of people who search for that keyword every month. Just so you know, they are real competitors of yours. I will show you how I found them. I typed in auto body collision Temecula, California, and these are the results that came up. Now down here you have an ad, but up here you have what we call the map pack. This is where you want to be. Most people, when they Google, they go here to the map pack and, they really don't go any further. Now, how do you get into the map pack? You get in the map pack by citations. And what a citation is your company name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across Google. So the more places you are, the more the more people are going to see you. And then finally, I want to talk about the organic section. First and foremost, you have to be found for the keywords typed into the search bar by having quality content on your website. Once you are found for the same keywords as your competitors, how do we outrank them in the search results as seen in here? So our competitor today is going to be our 5th ranked result on the Google search. So looking at your competition, they're not doing any better than you are with the content on their homepage. So, which is telling me that it won't be very hard to outrank them. So as you can see, your competition is getting 109 clicks a month from 75 keywords, so outranking them isn't going to be very hard at all. It won't take a whole lot to do that. And as you can see, your competitor has 53 friends on the internet. They're clicking them back to have 2,000 backlinks that when you click on them, they go back to their site. So in red, I have highlighted the keywords which include their name. These keywords indicate return traffic. So people who know of them from somewhere else are looking to find an address for directions or a phone number to call or reschedule. In green, you can see I have highlighted the keywords for your competition, which indicate new local buyers and the amount of people who search for that keyword every month. So as a recap, like I said, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage with as many keywords in there to find you as possible. You want as many citations as possible, which is your business name, address, and phone number located throughout the web. And you want backlinks, friends on the internet that have links that link back to your website. So as I wrap this up, my name's Eddie Romig, Dream Builders SEO. My number 610-393-3068, and I hope to hear from you soon. I hope you liked what you had. Saul.